What's your reaction to your sister, Vice President Sara Duterte, when she announced to run for presidency?
But at this point, it's there. VP Sara just announced that she's running for president this 2028. And in fact, ayun, napag-usapan namin ni PRRD. May sinabi siya, sabi niya, although he is beaming with pride hearing that, he also feels for her talaga. Because he said na parang no amount of adulation and honor could ever compensate for the misery and agony daw of being president. Sabi niya, look at me now. Sabi niya, ito yung trono ko, like pertaining to the chair beside him na yung ano.
What's your reaction to your sister, Vice President Sara Duterte, when she announced to run for presidency?
All of us are very proud. We talked about that. But also, there's this fear inkling for her, of course. She has children who are bata pa. And, that makes all of us a target. But, alam namin kaya niya. Siya pa ba? Diba? Alam niyo yung ugali ni VP Sara. Mas matapang pa sa tatay namin. Tsaka, fighter talaga. Our papa raised us to be that way, all of us.
Any message to the Filipino people who still, up until now, we're almost reaching 1 year, message to them with respect to their unwavering love and support to your father?
So, para sa tanan, no, to every Filipino, maraming salamat sa inyo. I don't think I can show how much I appreciate the support because obviously I cannot be everywhere simultaneously. But when I run into Filipinos, when I see them, magpasalamat yun ko. Kaya in fact, during our first time here sa Hague, last year around March, ang nagpakaon sa amo, ang nagtabang sa among transportation, puro gyud OFW. I don't think the first time na ako diri, I don't think I've ever bought food for myself. So, di ba, dito man minamayat, pero ang sa tinood lang ha, I told my father this, the love of the Filipino people for you extends to every descendant. Ana siya kaano, kay dako gid kaayo nga tabang ang mga Filipinos sa amoa. Even here, sample na kay Ate Janie, ang sapatos, di ba? So, daghang salamat yun to everyone. Unta magpadayon ta hantod kay Inday Sara kung unsa man ang plano sa Ginoo sa iya puhon. Daghang salamat sa inyo and we are here right with you.